Hello world, how you doing? Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. Actually, good afternoon. Behind me is the beautiful panorama of Singapore Business District, and here we go. This is also the Apple Store, and this Apple Store is not like your regular Apple Store wherever you're coming from, because it's in Singapore, so it must be different, and it's super cool actually. So this is the panorama of the skyscrapers of the banks in Singapore, and this is the probably the most fancy Apple Store in the world because it's on the water. So looks pretty cool, and it's sunset time, just after sunset time, and that's how it looks late afternoon in Singapore. This is the one of the entrances to the Marina Bay Sands shopping mall, which is probably the biggest shopping mall and the most fancy one in full Singapore. And here is also pretty nice walk promenade, totally different than we have in Bali, right? With the nice coconut trees, palm trees, and of course the Apple Store and the skyscrapers everywhere around. Beautiful panorama of Singapore, especially at that time of the day. Check this out, guys. But the biggest purpose of today's video is not Louis Vuitton shop, not promenade only, but this one, what you see right now, Marina Bay Hotel. And I'm gonna go somewhere there to the top. I think somewhere there, exactly there. There are actually quite many people around, so many fancy bars. You can enjoy your time, listen to music, and a lot of people everywhere. Okay, next time I will show you a little bit inside the mall. How does it look like? Here previously was the similar waterfall like in the airport, but seems like it's not operating anymore. So anyway, I'm gonna show you how does it look little bit in the mall, and I'm gonna go to the top of the Marina Bay Hotel. Little bit of the view of the mall is huge, giant actually. There's the river down there, and at the front is Marina Bay Hotel. And there's another wing with Dolce & Gabbana, Philip Plain, and any other fancy brands. It's pretty huge mall, but a lot of space around. You have here even nice dining options with the view, and there is even little gondola swimming around. Definitely different vibe, but it's really cool, like for the mall. And here next to Britlink is also casino in Singapore, one of the most fancy casinos in Singapore, but also in Southeast Asia. A lot of people. Also, very interesting fact about casino in Singapore is totally legal. For the tourists, it's totally free access. However, if you are a Singaporean citizen, you have to pay entrance fee. Also, this place is great for having a dinner with the view in the mall, of course. Kids friendly, as you see on the gondola, so many kids playing. There used to be a waterfall actually over here, but it's off. I don't know why it's off right now, or maybe because of the, I don't know, something. And so many shops everywhere around. Whatever you think, you're looking something in Southeast Asia, in Singapore, they have it. And this is, ladies and gentlemen, the lobby or the hall of the Marina Bay Hotel inside, somewhere between tower number 2 and 3. Well, looks pretty impressive. This is the roof, also very nice. So the inside is like an empty space with the restaurants and many other things. So many lobbies to check in. And on the left, on the right, they are obviously rooms. Depends of your category, facing the ocean or city. Of course, everywhere here is free access, and anyone can enter here, no matter if you are with kids or not. You can come. This is the tower 3, and this is the direction if you want to go to the top of the rooftop of the hotel. You're looking for the Sky Park Observation Deck or C'est La Vie. C'est La Vie is my favorite place. This is the lobby. Unfortunately, it's fully booked for 1 week up front, guys. Unbelievable. Outside the hotel, you can see very nice cars. This is actually very nice Ferrari and Rolls over here, but this is Singapore, and this is one of the most best hotels in Singapore so far. So just behind this Ferrari, I mean, this is somebody just parked here, some guests. There is the entrance to the Tower 3, and this is the entrance to the Sun Sky Park. Also Main Street, and the mall is on the other side of the street, so remember to go underneath. And I'm gonna go there, very high up there. Definitely you have to expect some queues to get there and buy the ticket. And after you buy ticket, also to wait. There's so many people actually coming to be on the top of the Marina Bay Sand. This is it, and this is the view, guys. Check this out. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the 56th floor of the Marina Bay Sand, and this is the view of the city. I'm gonna show you slowly 360 degree, almost 360, 180. You face the city right now, and this is the deck. And behind is just the sky bar, Tel Aviv. Unfortunately, it's fully booked for full entire week. Next time is 7 days from now is the empty table together. And what is the biggest difference between this one and going to the bar, to the sky bar, Tel Aviv? Well, there is better vibe and you can have some drinks, and this is like a minimum spender. Here you pay an entrance fee just to having a view, and you cannot see the pool. But from the bar you can see the pool. So yeah, I'm gonna show you as much as I can. So you have a bar, you have a view of the city. There are hotels. At the edge of the boat shape you have a view of this wheel. I forgot the name, sorry about that. And then you have a view of the gardens by the bay and the botanic gardens over there. And this is the gardens by the bay at night from the 56th floor. And the last view is for the ships, and if you close more there are the lights. This is Batam in Indonesia, obviously, and I think somewhere there you can see also Indonesia, Sumatra. But still, personally, this is my favorite view of Singapore, and we used to go with Winnie, usually sitting somewhere over there facing the pool and this view. So this is for you, Sayang. I hope so you enjoy. Next time we have to book the table 1 week before, remember that, and all of you guys. Meanwhile, still great to be here again, guys. So with this view, you're facing the business district of Singapore, obviously the banks, and there is the hotel swimming pool just over there. I will zoom it a little bit for you. Anyways, guys, if I'm already here, I decide to show you gardens by the bay at night. And this is where I'm walking right now. This is the longest pedestrian tunnel in Singapore. I don't know how long is it. However, if you're gonna walk from the Marina Bay Sands to Gardens by the Bay, for sure your legs gonna be a little bit painful. This is where I'm heading now, and seems like there is the music festival right now. Every day at night, similar like to the airport, there is lights. Unfortunately, I just arrived when the show is finished totally. So, little bit bad luck for me. Look at my face, I'm so sweaty, I was so in rush, but unfortunately not like this time. Anyway, so many people actually everywhere around. So I have to come back one day. And also last view of the Marina Bay hotel seems very busy. So many, lights in the hotel actually, like 80% occupancy, maybe 90. So that means Singapore really is getting busy. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care.